Hi, hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to this exclusive session on precision price action trading. I'm Ashok Devanampriya, the CEO of Traders Gurukul, and also a company called StatusOn, which is into derivative and fund management. Friends, this is my slogan. This is what I tell always to my employees, my customers, my clients, my students. Okay, we believe in God. For everything else, we need data. Why data is important? Because data is the foundation for trading. How many of you believe that trading is science and mathematics combined? I repeat, how many of you believe that trading is science and mathematics combined? For people who don't know me, I'm the founder director of Traders Gurukul and also StatusOn. I've been in the financial markets for close to 10 years now. I operate the entire Kautilya group, and our exclusive fund is managing close to about 75 crores. And this amount is not only spread across trading, it is spread across equity, mutual funds, trading, algorithms, and also AIF and startup investing. We believe in the concept of techno fundamental analysis. We are expert practitioners of WD Gann. We have tremendous experience in the precision price action space, and we are one of the very few algo trading fund management company in India. From background, I am a mechanical engineer with an MBA in finance from the UK, and my primary specialization is in asset management. Now, market is pure maths and science. So we currently manage about 75 crores fund as a part of Kautilya family. In that, around 50 crores is in mutual fund, around 15 crores is in algo trading, around 10 crores is in equity AF and all startup investing. The startup investing also includes the total investment that we have made in our existing companies. In fact, our primary focus is in the area of algo trading, wealth management, forex, okay, education, and find this company in forex in Dubai. We started about 3 months back. We have not yet started trading because we are busy building some very interesting models, and most likely we will start trading from April 2023. And remember, Nifty moved 5.5% in the last 7 months during this financial year. We as a fund achieved around 20% profit during the same time in 7 months. That's roughly about 3% a month. So we are poised to make about 30 to 36% compounding this financial year. Why we wish to do that? Because we want to double our money every 3 years. How many of you agree with that? We want to double our money every 3 years. So around 30-35% is a phenomenal return for us. How many of you believe that 30% is a 35% is a fantastic return? What is a good return according to you? Every one of you, give me an answer. What is a good return according to you? A decent return. Shailendra says 50, Jalal says 15, Partha says 20 to 20, not bad. We have people with all kinds of expectations. Murali says 30, Karthik 35, not bad, except Shailendra, everybody is reasonable. If you double money every 2 years, Shailendra, you will become one of the richest guy in the country in the next 2 decades. And Samir is over aggressive. He says he wants 10% a month. I wish you could do that. When these kind of answers are pouring in, let me tell you a very, very interesting update. Last month, I was talking to a prop desk out of Delhi. I was talking to the head of the prop desk, and he asked me how much money I need as far as trading is concerned. That fund house manages around close to about 1,000 crores fund. I asked 1% of their capital, which is about 10 crores. I said, give us 10 crores as margin. Of course, you can give us an account with 10 crores, and you please be ready for a 20% drawdown, and we will be able to operate on your account. And that man told me, Ashok, whatever you do, max drawdown cannot go beyond 20%, because for 10 crores, it is 2 crores. And even if you don't make a great profit like 25, 30, we are okay. Okay. Now, here are our innovations. We are experts in precision price action trading. We don't use any indicator ever in our life. We stopped using indicators a long time ago. All right. We are experts in time action momentum story. I will not be in a position to explain you more about this concept, but I will showcase a small scenario which will definitely give you a very clear perspective of what this concept is all about. Okay. Sounds good. Next thing is quant option strategies. We are experts in building option strategies using quant. We try to avoid any kind of discretion. We want everything to be absolutely mathematical. Okay. And finally, we have the power of algo trading with us. We are automation expert. We do a lot of automation trading, and which helps us to scale much better compared to manual traders. And finally, we believe in strategic fund management for superior wealth creation. You might be asking, how is that where we are operating? What we do is we will push around 80% of our funds into equity markets, and 20% will keep it in cash for MTM adjustment. Irrespective of what the equity markets do, most of the times our algorithms are very good. In fact, our algorithms act as a hedge for the equity portfolio. Try to digest this concept. Whenever our equity portfolio is making money, our algo might be in a normal mode, but whenever an equity portfolio falls, our algorithms, our strategies make a lot of money, which basically resolves the problem of drawdown. Okay, so that's in a nutshell as to what we do. Okay, if somebody is asking what is a time action momentum, here is one story. Okay, this is one of the stock. Okay, this is the performance of this particular stock. This is a simple analytical report, okay, of this particular stock. In the last 17 years, it has lost money only one time. This year also, this ideology made 20% profit. It is a pure 29-day holding cycle of the strategy, and exactly 365-day rotation. Now apply your intelligence. By the end of the day, let me see if anybody can identify which stock is this. It is an homework for every one of you. If you can discover that this cycle is for yours, you for yourself, you can apply this cycle on a regular basis. I have already given you the entry dates and exit dates for the next 3 years. Okay, this is one of our very simplest seasonality models. These are one of the very simplest time action models. Anybody want to guess which this stock is? Let us see, give a try. Okay, if not, at the end of this session I will answer this particular question to every one of you. I will tell you which stock is this. Ah, I got an answer already from Tejas Desai. Smart chap, huh? He already gave a right answer. Tejas, awesome, my bro. Very intelligent. I don't know how you discovered it, but I will talk to you. Okay. You buzz me at the after the session. I'm really curious to know how you discovered in a short time. If it was a fluke or by luck, that's different. But if you have any logic behind, you deserve appreciation. Okay. Okay. Tejas is from my previous session. All right. Okay, Tejas, no problem. Okay, sounds good, friends. Go ahead, give a try. Now let's deep dive into precision price action, where you focus on where the institutions are playing their traps and how to stay away from these institutions to make sure you make a decent amount of money. All right, shall we jump in? Good. Friends, let me draw something interesting for you. Apply common sense. Okay, I'm just asking you some basic questions. Okay, here is all. Okay, now price is going like this. Okay, price is here. Okay, now tell me where will price go from here, where all it can go. If you don't know the answer, either it can go this way, or it can go this way, or it can go this way. Only three scenarios. I find, of course, it can take any kind of a path, right? It can take any kind of a path. For example, look at this. It can go up, down, go up, or it can go come down, go up, or it can come down, or it can do any zigzag scenario, correct? A market will not have any standard pattern, right? Everyone agree? It can do any damn thing. But generally, we have a story there. What we are trying to say is that, okay, what we are trying to say is that, let's say price formed, what do you call this? Is that a resistance? Correct? In your traditional language, it is resistance. Bottom is called support. I think you should know that much before you join my class, because I will not teach support and resistance to people because they're very basics. Now, when price comes here, do you all agree this level is a very, very important level? Why? It is an important level because that point price was rejected. Okay. Now in price action, you don't have to look for different areas for trading. All you need to do is check what price does in this region. What will price do in this region? That's all you need to check. Okay. Price action offers you some amazing scenarios. Let me draw it for you. Okay. Let me draw it for you. Take this scenario now. Now, for example, this is a resistance. Okay. Now let's assume when price goes there, it can take a resistance and come down, or it can go fight and go up, or it can do sideways. But whenever there is a breakage of the level like this, whenever price breaks a barricade, price breaks a barrier, so these kind of places are typically considered something like your hump on a highway, a toll booth on a highway, a traffic signal on a road. Similarly, any barricade, any kind of resistance, any kind of support, if price breaks it and moves ahead with some interesting patterns, then you can call it as powerful price action. What does it actually mean? I will give you a small perspective of what these guys are thinking. Okay. I'll give you a very simple perspective of what these guys are thinking. Now think about this. Now this is a resistance. Correct? When price comes there, when price comes here, right? There are two kinds of people. One is support resistance trader, one is a breakout trader. Correct? Here, when price comes there, right, there is one fellow who thinks price will react from here. It will do some sideway movement. It will do some sideway movement and price is going to fall. What he will do? He will take a entry short here and go above this level and put a stop loss, and whenever he gets target, he is very happy. There is exactly another guy who is called as a breakout trader. Once the price breaks and goes above, what he will do? He will take a long entry with a stop loss below. Do you guys notice this interesting formulation? The entry of one guy is stop loss for other guy. The stop loss of other guy is entry of this guy. How many of you get that? A breakout trader stop loss is support traders resistant trader entry, and support trader resistant trader entry is breakout trader stop loss. Remember this fundamental thought process. Okay, it will teach you amazing lessons for every one of you. So whenever there is a strong resistance, price sometimes come here and does a side movement. Why is that? If price comes exactly to the resistance point and by any chance price tries to slow down, price tries to lose its chin, lose its momentum, what does it mean? What actually is happening there right now at that price level? Can somebody speculate based on the candle movements? Anybody? When price is going sideways, it officially means that there is somebody fighting. Okay, now let me ask more basic question. Who is controlling here? Who is the controlling at zone A? Somebody is controlling. Who is that? Sellers. Thank you, Tarun. Sellers are controlling at zone A. Good. Now, who is controlling at zone B? At level B? Buyers, because price is moving up. Now, who is controlling at zone C? Right? Who is controlling at zone C? It is indecision. There are two people fighting for domination. Nobody wins because it is a traffic jam. People on both sides have come and fighting there for domination and move forward. Both of them are controlling. Now, let me ask you a very simple question. Where will the price go now? Where will the price go now? From here. Anybody who is very confident what price might do? Partha says goes up. Tarun says nobody. Kishore says upside. Murugesh says up and down can be guessed based on volume. If you ask me personally, I am a quant trader. I don't care what has happened in the past. I don't bother also. But all I do or judge is what it will do next. Okay. And with the current information that is available, I don't know what it is. Okay. I don't know what it does. Make sense? Now, by any chance, if the price after that sideways movement suddenly booms up, what does this mean? What does it mean? Please apply common sense. There's no rocket science. Buyers have won. Very good. Now, let me re-ask the question. At level B, buyers have won. At level C, there is a fighting. At level D, there is again one. So what exactly happened at C then? What was happening at C? What was ideally happening at C? It was consolidating because it was fighting with the sellers, and the moment sellers are destroyed, the price moved up. So there are two important things that you have learned at this particular point. Whenever a resistance is broken by an opposite side with a strong tug of war at the level of resistance, that is intelligent price action. Everyone agree? That is intelligent price action. Now, the foundation for any kind of price action is engulf. This is a major resistance. Everyone agree? Good resistance. Price reacted from that point almost 2 times. Correct? Price reacted from that point almost 2 times. Now, when price goes there, has it engulfed the level? Engulfing is like breaking a barricade, breaking a level. Has it broken anything right now? Think about it. No. Okay, what about now? Did it break? Slightly PS, no? Okay, now who is under control? Who is under control now? According to you, buyers or sellers? Sellers are under control. Absolutely. Buyers went inside their territory, but sellers brutally pushed them back. Right? Very nice. Now tell me who is under control. Okay, so the fact of the matter is, whenever price breaks a strong barricade, you call it engulf. Clear? Interesting? How many of you find it interesting? How many of you find it boring? Okay, superb. Next. Okay, now the flag limit is an interesting concept in price action. A very unique behavior that will give you amazing returns over a long period of time. It ideally looks for fight between buyers and sellers at appropriate points, and what kind of price action happened at that point is the course of action. And remember, your moving average guys, your RSI guys can never see all these things. It is all outside the thought process. They'll they will look at some imaginary line. When price goes above it, they buy. When price goes below it, they will sell. No, they will never ever make a fortune. Okay, now I don't get into the crux of the theory. I'll directly jump into practicals. Okay, now I will not get into this flag area concept directly because of lack of time. I will take you into the concept of flag limit. Now look at this. Is that a strong SR, support resistance line above? Okay, okay, it is a very strong resistance, right? Okay, now price is slowly going up. Who is under control? Buyers under control or sellers under control right now? No, buyers are under control. See, price is moving up. Buyers are walking towards the top level resistance, but still right now buyers under control. I'm asking you, when wow, who is under control? You should check where the price is. Depending upon where the price is, you will decide. Okay, now close price check karo. At the close price level, what is the status? Tell me that. Okay, cool. Now let me check the next thing. Who is under control now? Again buyers are control. Now tell me what happened. Who is under control? Okay. Now this is indecision, confusion. What does it mean? There is a fight. If you go to somebody's house, will they agree? If you are an invited guest, they will allow. If you walk in like a gunda, they will fight you out. They will throw you out. They'll push you back. That's what is happening there. And what does it signify? Will it signify there are sellers? There are good number of sellers. Remember when that base candle. And remember after that suddenly price zooms ahead. What does this mean? There are some important inferences to be made. Okay, there are some inferences to be made. Item number one. Okay, item number one, sellers were tired. Sellers were tired. Item number two. Item number two, buyers were brutally strong. Why? How do you know they were super strong? The price zoomed ahead, so buyers are super strong. And very important item number three is that when these people fighting, no, whenever you fight, what will happen at that level? Those sellers who are fighting at one point of time, they'll be so tired. Arey Baba, TK, I'll also go up. Will you not do? How many times you are long on a market just because market is reversing, or you reverse the trade and went with the trend? Everyone agree? Correct? So many people will take reverse trade. That will also add up to the momentum. When price zooms ahead like that, definitely the number of buyers are so high that don't get filling. That they don't get filling. So when price comes back to this level, at that time, I will take a trade here with my entry here. 1 second. Okay. With my entry here. Here. Somehow the color of this spike is changing, so which is becoming very difficult for me. Okay, this is my entry. Why I want to enter here? This is my stop loss. And for example, when price comes here, I'll take a trade and then I expect the price to go up. Why? Because when price goes up, there are so many buyers and sellers are exhausted, buyers are in full momentum. I'm damn sure that there are a lot of buyers who don't get filling, who don't get their order filled. It is like a bus going to a bus stand and suddenly it came out of the bus stand with like some with 25 people in no time, and you are standing outside the bus stand and watching. What does it mean? If the bus comes in 2 minutes with bus full of people, that means that he is damn sure there are a lot many passengers waiting inside the bus stand. This logic, will it kicks you? Will it pricks you? You can stand outside the bus stand and make an amazing conclusion. Okay, somebody asked, why is your stop loss there? The stop loss is there because I am sorry, that is a wrong stop loss. The stop loss should ideally be here. This point, the bottom of this indecision candle should be your stop loss. That is a point it will most likely not break. Clear, Samir? My apologies. Everyone agree? Superb. Sounds good. I will show you a couple of examples of this intelligent concept and then we will move on to the next level. That is your entry point. That is your stop loss point below, and when price comes and kisses that point, I'll take a beautiful trade. Murugesh Nadar says, interesting, I improved 1 point skill today. Very good, appreciate it. See this. This is a beautiful price action scenario which exactly and precisely works the way we have explained. See, this is a beautiful SR line, right? Here. See what happens. Price comes, sellers in control, some indecision. Look at this candle. Look at this candle. Confusion. And again, drop, drop, big drop. And after that, what happens? Price comes back, kisses that point and goes down. How many of you find this interesting? Did you clearly notice that? So the fact of the matter is price reacted because there is power. Somebody is asking, you have written FTB, what does it mean? FTB stand for FTB stands for first time back. First time the price has come back after that level has been created, after the fortification is done. Right? Make sense, friends? Okay, sounds good. Now let's go further. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This is a strong resistance. See this? Huge, sorry, support, not resistance. Okay. When price comes there, look at this. This is very interesting. This is a strong drop in the bearish candle. Sellers in control, sellers in control, right? Now, suddenly here, there is no indecision candle. There is no confusion candle. I don't know whether there was a real fight or not. Okay. Whenever you see that projections kissing each other, okay, remember, you go one level lower time frame, you will definitely see that confusion candle. That is the beauty. Everyone get that? Everyone get that? You go just one level lower, you will know that. Make sense? Good. What is our best time? Remember, price action is one brilliant concept. It works on a one minute time frame till a daily time frame. But remember, if you go on a lower time frame, volatility will be very high. There can be a lot of manipulation, but you need to face it. You need to face that challenge. You can only achieve that once you start playing on a higher time frame. My suggestion to every one of you is try on a daily time frame. After you dominate the scenario, go on a lower time frame, then try on a hourly frame, then 75 minutes, maybe 25 minutes, 15 minutes. And remember, I only trade 1 minute time frame in Bank Nifty, 5 minute time frame in Nifty, and all other asset classes of Indian market minimum 15 minutes. Everyone understood? If it is Bank Nifty, I don't mind trading 1 minute. If it is Nifty, I don't mind trading 5 minutes. If it is stocks, I don't mind for trading at 15 minutes. Why is that? Why is that I don't appreciate somebody trading Nifty 1 minute? Any thoughts? Because of liquidity. Thank you, Tejas. Basic answer. You'll not get volumes. See this guy, similar story, no? This guy, okay? See this guy. Again, see big base candle, two candles kissing, cutting through this line. Make sense? Okay. Now, see the behavior. Initially, price came there. Strong sellers under control. This is confusion. And see after then, sellers under control, sellers under control. After that, what happened? Price came inside that level. Boom. Make sense? Good. Now let's go further. See this one. Can you see this beautiful scenario? See this? Such a strong sorry, support. Okay, I'm always used to SR. Okay, I don't say support resistance often. That's why I get confused. Right? Now what happened? See this? Seller in control, confusion, seller in control, gap down, seller in control. After that, what happens? Big fall came. Now slowly price is going up. It might go here, kiss and come down. This is the kind of trade you should look for. Right? Everyone agree? Look for such levels. A strong basic thing is very simple rules. A strong support, indecision candle there, two, good drop after that, reversal, take a trade, short here, stop loss here, and wait for the trade to react. Everyone, please visually see 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. If you see this properly, you are set. Everyone agree? Give me a check if you have understood. Fantastic. Good. Simple 4 steps. Somebody is telling, Madhu says, please repeat. Very simple. Look for strong support and resistance. Step 1. Look for indecision. Step 2. And remember, this indecision should happen exactly at that level. And drop after that. Step 3. Trade on reversal. Step 4. Superb. Great. Sounds good. Okay, here is a classic example which I plotted recently for one of the stocks. Look at this one. Strong SR line. See this SR line? Price came there. Look at this. Strong buyers under control. Confusion candle. And then again buyers under control. After that, what happened? See this beautiful movement here. I'll just show you in a different color. Wait, I'll take a black color. See what this guy has done. See, he went up, Confusion. Went up, came down, picked the order and went up. Why is that? This is a classic example of the pattern that I am talking. Okay, great. So this is one of the most powerful patterns that is there in price action journey. All right. So mark the levels properly. Okay, and these concepts work phenomenally well in all kinds of time frames. Remember that beautiful thing. Okay, any questions, friends? How did you find the session? Okay, this is just practice, absolute practice, nothing else. Okay, now before we start, here is one beautiful program called as I3T3 Master Mentorship Program. It is one of India's most comprehensive 100% money back guaranteed training program, which I generally do 4 times in a year. Okay, so my next event, which is happening in on 26th of November next week, this is one of the most powerful trainings ever done in the country. It is 8 days of learning and 100 days of weekly support, which means 2 years of support. All right. Now, this program is worth almost 1,40,000. It's one of the most powerful programs ever done. The complete course package is worth 75,000, and any student who joins our training program will get 100% money back in the form of brokerage credits. All right, and also they get to attend 75 interesting sessions from 75 pan India mentors, okay, across topics of options, intraday trading, expiry trading, and various other things. And also you will have something called as the trading view master indicator, which we have designed for our students for 20,000. Okay, and you get all these things at a very discounted price of 35,000, and for this 35,000 you will directly get 100% brokerage credit, which means you don't have to pay any brokerage to the broker. The broker immediately gives you 35,000 rupees worth of brokerage, and which means this course is absolutely free. And now I have a special offer to people who are serious about trading. Okay, we offer trade with us program. If you learn well and if you're able to successfully prove your talent in the form of uh, proper training and post training, you will have access to funds. Okay, if you are intelligent enough and follow the rule book properly in a very disciplined manner, we are going to fund you only with a maximum risk of 20%, and you will have to fund 20 to 25% of the trading capital, and we will give 75% of the fund for profit sharing basis, and the profit sharing will be equal 50-50. Okay, only after a hurdle rate of 12%. If you are capable, we can fund you any strategic amount. This is one of the programs which I have offered in the recent times, and this offer is only valid to those students who join our I3T3 program, who walk the talk and pursue our risk mitigated price action journey. Remember, exactly 5 years back I was trading 15 lakhs trading fund. Today I manage 15 crores. Okay, scaling is not a big deal in financial market. Maybe if you talk to me next year, by this time I might be almost managing about 50 crores, because every month on an average we are adding 1 to 2 crores right now. of course, claimed money. Okay, we have students from all over the world. Maximum students come from India and Middle East. Okay, and I'm very proud to say I got a student from University of California, Berkeley in the US, who is a professor and also an MIT scholar. It's really an honor to have such great talented people joining our program. That means they believed in our story. Okay, so this is what our alumni people say. We have close to 1,000+ reviews in Google. You can just go and type Traders Gurukul here. You will be very shocked to see that we have ratings almost worth 4.8. Can you see this? We have 1,297 rating worth 4.8 here. It's here. So that is the power of our organization. We walk the talk. And remember, very few training programs in India are 100% money back guarantee. Okay. I give 100% money back guarantees to our students. Of course, I will not give you 100% money after the program, but in between the program, after 25% of the course, everybody has an access to exit from the program. And out of 1,000 students whom I have trained in the last 5 years, about 20 people have taken their money back. That's hardly 2% of casualty, and I don't care about it. Okay, and process is very simple. After you join the program, after like 2 days of training out of the 8 days, if you feel that is not worth it, you can always exit with 100% money back, no questions asked. And we have given money, and we were happy to give money also, because we want people who exit the program, so that we can keep, you know creating the trumpet to everybody, telling, hey, we will give 100% money back guarantee. It is 100% money back guarantee. It is 100% brokerage credit, and a golden opportunity for star performance. I'm telling you, out of 50 people who join my classes, generally hardly 10% will reach out to the level of taking funds from us. Okay, that there also somebody will lose their momentum because of confidence and other aspects. Okay, any questions from here, guys? Any questions on the program and things like that? Okay, remember, we offer these kind of 100% money back guarantee stands only because of the power of content, delivery, service, honesty, and integrity, fueled with transparency, that we have in terms of this program. Okay, we offer all kinds of learnings. We teach you, which for price we teach you price action, for volume we teach you volume profile, for time we teach you WD Gann, for options we teach you option quants. So all interesting core concepts are covered. And remember, I used to trade 15 lakhs, today I trade 15 crores, so which means we have reached some level of maturity. I'm not telling you also will reach there, but you will also have a roadmap to go there. Whether you go and you don't go, that is your choice. Okay, the overall program comprising of some of the widest topic in the learning space, it is coming at just 35,000 only, which includes 100% absolute brokerage credit to the people. So your effective discount is almost 75%. Okay, so the early bird pricing is 35,000. Effective discount is not 75, it's 100%. I don't know why it is 75, because we give back in the form of vouchers, right? So we're going to give it back. Okay, and the early bird price is 35. I have filled more than 35 seats. We have 15 seats left for the next 1 week. Maybe another 3-4 payments are expected this week. Next week we will try to fill the remaining 10 seats also. All right, if you are really interested in this program, and if you believe in the value proposition, and if you have learned some interesting things in the last 60 minutes, go ahead, talk to my team. They will be more than happy to help you. And our website address is www.i3t3.in. I3T3 stands for Independent Intelligent Investor and Technical Turtle Trader. All right, so any question, friend? Any questions, friends? Any questions about the course? Any questions about price action? Any question about algo trading? Any question about fund management? How many of you are really interested in doing fund management? How many of you are really serious about fund management? So Akshay, welcome to the family. He said he's joining today. You can talk to Sunita. So she is the webinar manager of I3T3 Master Mentorship Program, and that is her cell number. You can just buzz her. She will guide you. Any questions, friends? How many of you trading 25 lakhs and above? Is there anyone who's trading 25 lakhs and below? Tell me your amount. Okay, great, Manish. Yogesh is 3 lakhs, Aditya is 2 lakhs, Karthik is trading with 60K. Okay, okay, okay. Go ahead, go practice your stuff. If any one of you really have potential, of course, I don't mind giving you a fund even if you don't join my course. Okay, if you really have talent, but you need to prove that in the form of clear documentation, ledgers and reports. Okay, we don't talk in the sky. So Manish is asking, do you need star programmers? I need Python programmers, Manish. Anybody who is good Python programmer who want to pursue building trading strategies in a part-time basis, don't hesitate to buzz us. We have a lot of interesting jobs for you. Okay. Manish says I have Microsoft work experience. Sorry, Manish, we don't work in those technologies. Okay. Any other questions, friends? Aditya, Ajay, Akshay, Anas, Anupam, Karthik Shanbok says SAP. Karthik, I am ex SAP, my friend. I myself from SAP. Okay, Gagan, Hari, Dilip, Kishore, Lawrence, Lakshman, Madhu, Mahavir, Manish, Naveen, Nitin, Partha, Pramod, Ravindra, Satya, Shailesh, Shivraj, Srinivas, Sudhir, Tejas, Venkat, and Yogesh. Any questions, buddies? Did you guys like the price action experience? See, we don't use a single indicator. We are tired of indicators. It doesn't motivate us anymore. That's why we don't fall into that category. Okay. Great. Sounds good. If you want any help or any information, don't feel free to call Sunita. She will be able to help every one of you. Okay. Partha is asking which is the stock. Acha. See, nobody asked me. It is Adani Enterprises. Enjoy, Partha. You can go and check. It is Adani Enterprises. Good luck. And I have at least 2000 cycles like it. Okay. So nothing less than that. No, Shailesh. 25 lakhs is what is the minimum ticket we give. So if you want 25, you should bring 5 lakhs on the table. Friends, here is the answer. The answer for the screen that I shared, that March seasonality cycle, it is Adani Enterprises. Happy? I hope every one of you learned something new and something interesting. I'm damn sure in the future sessions, we will try to empower you with a lot more lovely information. If you want to follow us, do not hesitate to follow. Go to YouTube, search for Ashok Devanampriya. There are so many brilliant videos that has been updated on price action. You will be very excited to know that they are purely on price and nothing on indicators. That is my channel. It's called I3T3 Master Mentorship channel. There are so many videos which can give you an amazing insight. Okay, great. Sounds good. Thank you, everyone. I hope you guys have had a great time. For more details, talk to Sunita. Her number is 6360107907. She'll be happy to help you. And if there's anyone who have an interesting story and strategy to automate, don't hesitate to buzz us. Good luck. Have a nice evening. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you very much.